Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money between Halifax accounts. This is going to be a super easy tutorial, you'll just need to follow the steps. So basically you can choose to transfer money between Halifax accounts through your mobile banking app or online banking, so through the website or through the Halifax app. So you can choose the one you prefer, but I'm gonna start with the mobile banking app steps. So to transfer money between Halifax accounts through the mobile banking app, you'll first need to sign in and select pay and transfer from your account, and then you will need to select choose who to pay, then simply select the account you want to transfer to. Once you select the account, you will need to enter the amount and then select continue. Once you do that, the only thing you will need to do is to check the details, make sure that they are correct, and then if you are happy with it, select confirm to make the transfer. You will see a message confirming that your transfer has been taken place. So basically this is how to do it through the mobile app. You can also do it through the website, as I have confirmed and as you can clearly see on the screen. So basically this is how to transfer money between Halifax accounts.